Welcome to the presentation of the Ready range, the Carpigiani batch freezers designed to manage the entire gelato production process. Pasteurization, aging, and freezing in a single machine. Carpigiani's Easy Way system. Ready is a pasteurizer that treats and prepares the gelato mix with maximum hygiene. The mix can then age directly in the machine or in a refrigerator, offering maximum operational flexibility. Finally, Ready is a batch freezer that transforms the mix into gelato with the perfect consistency. The Ready batch freezers are available both as countertop models with the Ready 1420 and as floor standing models with the Ready WF range to meet different production needs, from a minimum of 2 kilograms up to 10.5 kilograms of gelato per cycle. The range features 6 automatic programs for cold processing, allowing users to produce gelato, sorbets, fruit cremolata, ice cream with a dedicated beater to produce authentic American-style product, crystal gelato, and crystal sorbet for a gelato with a semi-dense texture that makes it easy to fill molds and jars of any shape and size. In addition, there are 3 automatic heat treatment programs, which allow you, depending on the selected cycle, to pasteurize the mix and transform it directly into gelato. Pasteurize the mix, age it, and then transform it into gelato. Heat and cool the mix before transforming it into gelato. In the floor standing Ready WF models available in 3 sizes, the program range is further expanded with 6 additional automatic programs, 3 hot and 3 cold, which integrate the water filling function. This allows hydration and mixing to take place directly inside the machine. The system automatically manages water dosing within recipes, simplifying the operator's work, reducing processing time and minimizing dosing errors. The exclusive Hard-O-Tronic system constantly controls gelato consistency during freezing, allowing the operator to adjust it at any time and always achieve the desired result. The POM beater without central shaft with self-adjusting scrapers ensures complete extraction of the gelato with no waste. The post-cooling system maintains the product consistency even during extraction, ensuring uniform quality until the very last serving. The monolithic cylinder, the delayed cleaning program, and the possibility to disassemble the extraction chute help simplify daily cleaning operations and ensure maximum hygiene. The Ready range includes the following optional features: crystal dispensing door for filling jars directly from the machine, dedicated beater for producing American-style ice cream, Teorema, the remote control and diagnostics system that allows you to monitor the machine via computer or mobile device. In case of need, Carpigiani technicians are automatically notified for faster and more efficient service. Thanks to the QR code on the front of the machine, users can access useful content such as manuals, washing and operation videos, and ordinary maintenance plans. With the Ready batch freezers, all gelato production steps are concentrated in a single machine, optimizing time, space, and processes. A solution designed to ensure production continuity, result control, and ease of use in any working environment. The worldwide network of Carpigiani distributors can help you choose the machine that best suits your needs. You can find their contact information as well as more info at carpigiani.com.